Tracking your most accurate forecast, I'm meteorologist Jorge Torres. Well, on Saturday, we finally hit 100 degrees here in the valley, officially 102, making it the first time this year that we hit the century mark and the latest that we've hit 100 since 2010. And it does appear that we're going to get a break from that triple-digit heat, at least for a few days, as a result of a powerful disturbance that's going to approach us from the west over the next few days. It's mainly going to be a wind maker for Arizona for much of the rest of the weekend and early next week, too. And not only that, fire danger will be a big-time concern on Sunday across the Four Corners and potentially throughout the state through parts of next week until that disturbance moves away from the state by Thursday into Friday, and then a ridge of high pressure will begin to build. So let's break down the wind speeds for your Sunday, Mother's Day. We're talking about winds from the southwest around 15 to 25 miles per hour in the valley, gusting up to 35 miles per hour at times. In parts of the high country, winds could potentially gust around 60 miles per hour on Sunday. Then you factor that in with the low humidity, dry fuels, and warm temperatures, fire danger ramping up once again across northern and eastern parts of the state. So with that in mind, outdoor burning is highly discouraged throughout the rest of the weekend. And we're not done yet with the breezes. They're going to stick around for a while. They'll be dropping throughout the next couple of days. We'll be in that breezy category again for Sunday, Monday, even potentially into Tuesday, but it does go up again Wednesday before lowering later into this upcoming work week. Overnight tonight, lows in the 40s up in Flagstaff and Heber, 50s in Payson, 60s and 70s across the lower deserts with highs on Mother's Day, anywhere from the mid-60s in Flagstaff to 70 at the Grand Canyon, 80s there in Sedona with low to mid-90s, essentially from the Old Pueblo all the way to the valley into the west too, 94 in Yuma and Lake Havasu City. Across the East Valley tonight, those lows will drop generally into the mid and upper 60s to near 70 degrees with highs anywhere from 85 in Carefree to 94 in Scottsdale, 95 in Mesa and in Tempe too. And in the West Valley, those overnight lows tonight down generally in the mid-60s with highs tomorrow anywhere from 89 in Anthem to 93 in Deer Valley, 94 in Glendale, 94 in Laveen, and 94 in Goodyear and Buckeye. So here's that 7-day. We start off with highs tomorrow only in the mid-90s with breezy conditions throughout the day. Same on Monday with temperatures that day only into the upper 80s. And then we get a little break from the wind on Tuesday before it picks up again Wednesday. And then we heat up starting later next week with highs in the mid-90s on Friday and back to the 100s a week from today.